First, create separate pages for different topics, so your notes are easier to find later. Use headings and subheadings to organize your content clearly. This makes your notes easier to read and review. Next, use bullet points or numbered lists to break down information into smaller sections. You can also highlight important ideas using bold text or call-out blocks. Another helpful tip is using checklists to track tasks and important actions. You can also add tables or databases to organize structured information. Using templates can help you save time and keep your notes consistent. You can also insert links, images, or files to make your notes more complete. Make sure to review and update your notes regularly to keep everything organized. By using these tips, your notes in Notion will become clearer and more effective.